Hey there! Welcome to our beginner's guide to the intersection of science and spirituality. In this video, we're going to explore how quantum physics, the study of the universe at its most fundamental level, intersects with spirituality, the exploration of our inner world and connection to something greater than ourselves. Whether you're a scientist, a spiritual seeker, or just someone interested in exploring new ideas, this video is for you. What is quantum physics? So, what is quantum physics? Put simply, it's the study of the universe at its most basic level. It's a branch of physics that explores the behavior of subatomic particles, like electrons and photons. But what makes quantum physics so interesting is that it challenges our traditional understanding of reality. According to quantum physics, particles can exist in multiple states at the same time, and they can be inextricably linked even when separated by vast distances. This means that reality is not as fixed and objective as we once thought. What is spirituality? Now, let's explore spirituality. Spirituality is often associated with religion, but it's actually a broader concept that encompasses a variety of beliefs and practices. At its core, spirituality is about exploring our inner world and our connection to something greater than ourselves. It can involve practices like meditation, prayer, and visualization, as well as philosophical concepts like consciousness and the nature of reality. The intersection of science and spirituality. So, how do quantum physics and spirituality intersect? At first glance, these two concepts might seem completely unrelated. But in reality, they can complement each other in powerful ways. For example, some scientists have turned to spiritual practices like meditation to enhance their focus and creativity. And some spiritual traditions, like Buddhism, have long explored the nature of reality and consciousness in ways that align with quantum physics principles. The science of spirituality. Now, let's dive into the science of spirituality. Over the years, scientific research has explored the effects of spirituality on the brain and body. For example, studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, and increase feelings of well-being. Other research has explored the power of prayer and intention to influence physical outcomes, like healing from illness. This research suggests that spirituality can have tangible benefits for our physical and mental health. The spiritual implications of quantum physics. But what about the spiritual implications of quantum physics? Well, quantum physics principles like superposition and non-locality can actually inform our understanding of spiritual concepts like interconnectedness and unity consciousness. According to quantum physics, particles can be linked in ways that defy traditional notions of time and space. This means that we are all connected in ways that go beyond our physical bodies. This idea aligns with spiritual concepts like oneness and interdependence. Practical applications of quantum physics and spirituality. So, how can we apply quantum physics and spirituality in practical ways? Well, for starters, we can incorporate quantum physics principles into our spiritual practices. For example, we can use visualization techniques to tap into the power of superposition and manifest our intentions. We can also use meditation to explore the nature of reality and our interconnectedness with the universe. By combining these two concepts, we can create powerful tools for personal growth and transformation. And that's a wrap. We hope this beginner's guide to the intersection of science and spirituality has been informative and inspiring for you. Remember, whether you're a scientist or a spiritual seeker, there is always more to explore at the intersection of these two fields. By combining the power of science and the wisdom of spirituality, we can create a more holistic understanding of ourselves and the world around us. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.